In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on the Robinhood app. By the end, your account notifications will be going to the right inbox and you'll know exactly what to expect during the update and verification process. Start by opening the Robinhood app on your phone and logging in. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. Make sure you have access to the new email inbox you want to use, since you'll need to verify it in a moment. From the main screen, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. This is your account hub, and it's where you'll find all of your personal settings. Next, tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, in the top left corner to open the full list of options. Scroll down the menu and select Settings. This is where Robinhood keeps your account preferences and personal details. In Settings, tap Personal Information. This section includes your name, address, and the email tied to your account. Choose email address. Here you'll see your current email. Tap into the field, enter your new email address, and then tap Update or Save. Before you move on, double check for typos, watch out for extra spaces or autocorrect changes, and make sure you're using an email you can access right now. If you're switching to a new inbox for security reasons, consider using a provider with strong security features, and make sure you've enabled two-factor authentication on that email account. Now head to the inbox of the new email you just entered. Robinhood will send a confirmation message to verify that you own it. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute, then check your spam or junk folder. Open the message and click the confirmation link inside. This step is essential. Your email won't be changed until you complete this verification. Links like these can expire, so it's best to confirm as soon as you receive it. Once you've clicked the link, your email address will be successfully updated. You can return to the app and you may see a confirmation notice, and from now on, account alerts and communications will go to your new address. If you manage multiple inboxes, consider adding the new one to your mail app's favorites so you don't miss important security or account messages. That's it, quick and straightforward. You opened the app, navigated through Profile, Menu and Settings, updated your email under Personal Information, and verified the change from your inbox. Keep your new email secure and you'll be all set.